Despite a few missteps, like stock running out instantly and the MSRP being more imaginary than my girlfriend, the launch of the RX 90 series was kind of a smash hit for AMD. But can they do it again, given how leaks for the upcoming RX 9060 XT have already begun to surface? It will of course be the main competitor to the upcoming RTX 5060 Ti, though given how nothing has been going right for Nvidia this generation, it's actually a fairer fight than you can imagine. Now, in terms of what we can expect from Team Red's more budget offering, while we have already seen it being listed in both 16 gigs and 8 gig variants. So one thing they should have learned from Nvidia is that, well, those kind of naming schemes just make things a lot more confusing than they really should be. Though, in fairness, despite how confusing it is, the 5060 Ti is also most likely going to have both 16 and 8 gig variants, though with these graphics cards of course using GDDR7 memory, while AMD is still sticking to GDDR6 for their cards. And that's pretty much everything we know spec-wise yet, though of course we have to talk about the most important thing, the price. Now, as you all know, AMD and Nvidia are stuck in this weird contest of who blinks first this generation, with both of them delaying the products to see exactly what the other one will do. And it looks like with the 60 tier cards, Nvidia are gonna blink first, with the launch date apparently being in a few days, on the 16th of April, where prices having already been leaked, starting at around $380, meaning that AMD has two options: retaliate pretty quickly after that and launch their product in maybe even late April, or probably the more likely option, wait a couple of more weeks and do a big reveal on the main stage at Computex in Taipei. Not only would that mean that they'll be working off of the great hype around the event, but also it gives them a bit more time to actually assess how the recent Trump tariffs are actually going to impact the price of the upcoming graphics cards. And seeing how these tariffs are there one day and gone the next, some time to let things settle down and analyze the full impact of them is obviously going to come in handy. But the great thing is that we'll be there at Computex, ready to report to you all of the happenings when it comes to the brand new releases from AMD, Nvidia and the others. So make sure you subscribe to this very channel so you don't miss any of it. And maybe check out our Patreon as well, because, well, going to Taipei ain't cheap. So huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, and Avroniak, Balazs Voka, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.